Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily update on Ethereum. In this video we'll do a full update on what I expect from the price right now. We had quite a lot of bearish momentum yesterday evening after the interest rate decision and the press conference. So we'll do a quick update on that, but apart from that it also seems a bit like it was manipulation, some bearish manipulation. So we'll just do a full update on what to expect. I mean, the markets right now are quite bearish, especially Ethereum. I mean, Ethereum since the 6th of June, which was about 9 days ago, so a little bit over a week, we've dropped down from 1900 towards the 1600 levels. But even though that happened, I do expect some bullish momentum on the short term. So that's what we'll talk about. Before we dive into Ethereum though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, we're still making profits and money in these markets, even as it's dropping down. So if you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. I'll see you there. But now onto Ethereum. So the thing is that yesterday, to start off with that, yesterday the bearish momentum. We already got some sort of bearish momentum after the interest rate decision, mainly because the projections of the interest rate, so kind of what all of the board members of the Federal Reserve and the FOMC thought the interest rate would be at the end of the year, but also at the end of next year and stuff, that was a little bit higher. So that's bearish, right? Higher interest rates are bearish for crypto. We also saw the dollar strength index going up, which this is negatively correlated with crypto. So if this is going up, that usually means bearish pressure for crypto itself. So that happens, but it's also, I mean, if you take a look at these moves, these are not normal moves, all right? These are, well, manipulated. I call them manipulated personally, but they're just institutions and whales selling, right? So that happened, and then ever since we've actually been holding on fairly well. This actually happened in a matter of 45 minutes. And since then, we've just been holding this level right here, this very strong support level at around 1630, which if you zoom out, you can also see that that's a very strong trend line. So we've been holding that, and then apart from that, one other reason why I think there's actually quite a big chance that it's manipulated is that the dollar strength index actually was quite bullish after the interest rate decision yesterday evening. However, right now, it's not bullish. It's more neutral, and you could still argue that it's bearish. All right. So those are the two things that I think the fundamentals are actually, or at least the economic fundamentals are actually not as bad as they seem. And apart from that, the technicals are also very strong. Because right now, what I expect is that I think we'll bounce back from this level between 1610 and 1630. So that means we actually can still break down or drop down a little bit more towards 1610, and from there, if we drop down there, I would just think that we will get above this trend line again, because that trend line is quite important. And from that trend line, all of a sudden you have a short-term formation or structure, whatever you want to call it, like this. And this is actually a relatively bullish structure, and would lead me to believe that we can actually break above our main resistance right now, which is 1660, and get up to at least that 1690, 1700 level. Now, keep in mind that that's still, if you zoom out enough, that's still very bearish. But on the short term, I do think a little bit of recovery like that is possible, and it's actually what I'm banking on. I think the technicals 100% support that. Fundamentals are a little bit more difficult because I do think the economic fundamentals support it. However, the general fundamentals of the market right now are obviously not that strong after last week, for example. But yeah, we'll see. I'll keep you updated on Ethereum. For now, this is my most likely scenario. So thank you for watching for now. Take care and bye.